All right, my friends. I'm babysitting the puppy right now, so I can only do part one of this video. While I'm upstairs, she's sleeping. So today, though, we are going to go downstairs and take a look at this flashlight. Yeah, we haven't done a flashlight in a while. This is the IMALENT LD70 EDC flashlight, rechargeable torch, 4,000 lumens. Super bright headlight for camping and hiking. Now, it does look like it comes in a bunch of different colors, so you can get it in black. Uh, I'm guessing this is like a blue. Looks like a gold. And finally, whatever this color is here, green. You get it in a green if you want. I think we got it in the black. The blue would be cool, though. The blue looks cool. I like the blue. Anyways, powered by a built-in high drain battery, producing up to 4,000 lumens. Smart design, so it says pocket friendly. Now, based on the box, I would think that this is going to be pretty small. Highly integrated button switch, which I believe it's on the back part of it. So you just kind of tap, tap, click, tap, tap. Yep. 3.18 inches, 0.98 inches. So 3.18 inches long, 0.98 inches in diameter. Excellent choice for the users looking for an EDC flashlight with extremely small form factors. So that for those camping and stuff, I think that would be really good. All the features plus magnetic USB charging makes the LD70 an unmatched choice for your daily life. So what we're going to do is I'm going to end up going downstairs and we'll do the unboxing part of the video down there. And then we'll complete the video by going outside when it gets dark out. All right, so here it is. Voila, somewhere in here, right there. Voila. So IMALENT, I think that's what it is. LD70. Pretty sure that's the one, right? I'm pretty sure that's the one. Seems to be the right one. 4,000 lumens, 15 hours, 203 meters. I'm pretty sure that's the link they sent me, so I'm following the link. Peak beam intensity, what is that? 10,350 something or other. 1.5 impact resistance. Oh, I guess that's for dropping. And IPX8. All right, that's nice. IPX8 is good. Because, you know, if you get caught with this out in the rain, that's important, right? That's it. It comes in a nice box. And I'm guessing maybe it has multiple colors. So it says black, golden, blue, and green. So depending, I've got the black. Okay, it's like a box in a box. Sweet deal. This opens somehow. Okay, flippy dooey. Nice box. Oh, it's way smaller than I thought it was going to be. The pictures make it look kind of big. So you do get a user manual right here. Yes. Powerful. They consider it like a keychain light, I'm guessing. Okay. Powerful keychain. A lot of Asian language on this side. English. There it is. Just a little bit of English. Dutch. German. One of these is Chinese or Japanese. And maybe some other stuff on this side. You guys can, you see them. If you saw your language, awesome. If you didn't, I'm sad for you. You get the light. The light is in here. So what do you, hold on. It's tight. You gotta kind of, it's in there. So I'm guessing, you know, you take the whole dealie out. That's the deal. Okay, first off, silica gel, because who doesn't want some silica gel? Yes, I'll put that over there. You do get a nice little wrist strap. I do like that. I like that wrist strap. That's nice. I'm down. And it's kind of got this little locking mechanism on it, right? So you can kind of get it open, get your hand in there, and then you can tighten it up so that it's not going to fall off when you're walking about doing your stuff. I'll just wear that like that. Somebody needs to design something like this as a bracelet. Right? Just somehow bracelets on there, because that would be sweet. I'm just saying. You get a USB. Oh, this is what they're talking about. So this is MCC, magnetic charging cable. USB-A, of course, USB-A right there. It's a nice cable though. It's decent, right? To whatever this magnetic thing is. Let's different. It's got like magnets all, like it's all over it. All right. And then last but not least, you get the flash. It is way smaller than I expected. Look at that. Look how tiny, where am I? Look how tiny that is. Now, does that like a little case? Like, how does that even work? There's your charger. So if I took this out, for instance, I'm just gonna unplug that, plug this in. This is gonna go in here, yes. And then this, all you do is you. Oh yeah, look, you get a little. There's a little indicator. See that? Oh, I like that. That has a little indicator on it. That's handy because it, as of now, it was not fully charged. Okay, I like the little screen. It is so small, and you can tell because this has got like a metal body, right? So this is going to be, my guess would be like for heat dissipation to help it stay cool. They do say it has like a optical sensor on it, so that if it's sitting somewhere and it turns on, and that your hand is, or clothing or something is in front of it, it'll turn itself off. And I'm guessing that is your button on the back, just to figure out what you're doing. So let's undo this for a minute. So ready? Just kind of, I do kind of wish maybe it was a little longer, but you get this nice little spot here, kind of just kind of put your thumb and kind of rest your finger here, so you kind of get a little bit of grip in there when you're holding this. It kind of just fits like that. You're not going to hold it, right? You kind of, it's small. Now it does have this keychain thing. I'm just gonna, oh, it goes right in there. You guys see it? Just a little keychain thing right there. Okay, so let's down. Anything? Do I have to read the manual? I hope not. I don't like, does this spin or anything? Negative. Double tap. Nope. Hold it. I'm holding it. And it could be my battery's dead, because as we saw when I put that on there, spray, it's got a lock on it. Maybe that's what I did. How do I unlock it? 1, 2, 3. There it is. So there is a lock, and it comes locked, and there's a little lock icon, right? And you go 1, 2, 3, right? It tells you your voltage. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so there we go. I like that it has a little display. It's not a huge display, but it kind of tells you what's going on, right? Holy jeez. Don't double click it when it's on. Oh, I'm pointed at your face. Strobe tells you this is where you're gonna have some kind of issue. And then I don't know, the backlight went off. Hold. Strobe, hold. Off. Ho ho. Okay. It does get warm though. I give it that. It got right. Okay, so on, tap, off, on, off. I'm with you, right? On, double tap. Super bright. You don't even want to look at that. Look at the wall behind me. Like, that light coming out of it is warm. Holy moly, that's warm. Wowzers. Like, you put it on your face. If you were like cold, and it's cold, it's fairly warm on your hands. It's like it's heating up already. You know, so my guess would be, you know, I like that when you turn it back on, it comes back to the normal, right? And then you have to click it into super. And then you got strobe. And then you got, I don't know, super again, strobe. And I guess you just turn it off if you want to go back to normal. Well, that's a bright light. I'm going to give it that. That's a bright light. This light, and it's small, but it is like it's, you guys again can't tell, right? But like it warms up. You would definitely want to be using this outside, I think, especially if you're turning on the high power. It's doing its heat dissipation. My guess is through here. But that's really bright. Let's take it outdoors when it's dark, so right away for you, and see how this thing lights up. All right, guys, so we are going outside to test this. As you can tell, it's dark out. It is good in dark. I think, is that unlocked? No. Hold on, gotta go outside. Gotta go outside to test this. Okay. Okay, so we just got a little bit of window light. That's about it. So here it is. Ready? Tap. I think it is. There it is. So just so you guys can see the ground, I'll just move the camera a little bit. So that's it on its like low light, because it has basically the low, it looks like, and the main, but it's not bad. You know, that's definitely usable, doable for sure. I actually didn't think it was going to be that bright when I was checking it downstairs. So that's decent. And then I think if we double click it, ready? Oh, sweet goodness. That is bright. Wow. That's crazy bright. You guys see that? I'm gonna probably have all the bugs coming out now. Yep, all the bugs coming. So I'm turning that off, because that's bright. And let's go inside, because that's where the I don't know, the June bugs or something like that decide to come out and get you. And I really don't want them. Yeah, that's bright. That's really bright. Alright guys, not a horrible price for what you get, I think. Really small, like that's really small. It does heat up a little bit, but only on that kind of like turbo-ish mode, like that high light mode, but it's putting out a ton of light. Like that's a lot of light. Alright guys, I'll put links down below if you guys are interested in this. It's I think it's the LD70 Mini EDC. Yeah, it's nice because it's like super pocket friendly. Would have been cool if they made like a keychain accessory for it. Then I would have been like, yeah, that's sweet. Alright guys, links down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit the little notification bell. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Pretty sure no bugs made it in with me. I hate bugs. Hate bugs.